So we hope that this festival we organize now will be a source of inspiration for the cities and the regions, for the stakeholders which are now invited, and for Europe. And I think we are quite honored by the presence of a lot of inspirators today in our festival. Local and regional inspirators. And we are also glad that we found Adriaan Geuze of the office of West 8, an international office, of being with us and giving us an introduction to the subject in an international perspective.
So with this short introduction, I would like to emphasize that we in Europe, we have a tremendous cultural landscape. We have remarkable cities, heritage cities, and that urbanism, water, legacy should be combined.
We ended up with a completely different type of waterfront, and the intention from the city was to create the inner city center as a place for people, for everyone. And what better place to place a library than a place that is meant to be for everyone, because a library is for everyone.
Good morning, everybody, and I'm Valentina Gianfrate, Professor of Service Design at the University of Bologna, a member of CRIC, which is the Research Center for the Interaction with the Cultural and Creative Industries. Thank you very much for your invitation, because this is the occasion to further deepen as a stakeholder the relation between creative and cultural industries and cultural heritage, with a specific focus on water linked.
Using temporary uses as triggering actions to improve the quality of tangible and intangible natural and cultural heritage in the port cities of the Adriatic area. And to do this, we want to experiment a methodology for the regeneration in these used port areas, basing that on co-creation and long-term urban strategies.
Defense of the urban and rural areas through effective water governance, drainage and flood control, safeguarding soils from degradation and erosion, supplying water to irrigate crops, revitalize and safeguard water environments and rural landscape.
We participate in the WaVE program, which values our land and the importance of our river and the heritage of the irrigation network. This value traditions and way of life from which we come. And of course, the big importance of water and on our countryside in the socio-economic development of the Almoradí. In Almoradí is reflected. The collaboration of local associations, companies, administrations. We involve a large number of companies also, and that contributes and makes this project the most important so far.
Climate change is one of our main topics. We are presenting astonishing facts about discernible effects: CO2 concentration, sea heat changes, sea level, and temperature anomaly. We are giving an answer how the individual can fight against the climate change, for example, with the smart water usage in every day. Everybody can calculate their own daily water usage and compare the number with other countries.
Because we often see water heritage used in a very one-dimensional way, often to do with the economy, but only one aspect of the economy, which is tourism. And of course that's important, but that really dominates thinking about the water heritage. We need to integrate it much more with other questions about water management, about the economy, about social cohesion. I was really interested in how so many projects talk about how the water heritage can help with community development and the creation of neighborhoods, strengthening of social relations. And of course, then there's the natural environmental issues we need to deal with as well, and nature-based solutions are coming through.
But there will be a moment that we make a European tour with each other along all the sites.